Hi everyone! In this video we will convert from decimal notation to scientific notation. Convert to scientific notation 0.75 or 75 hundredths. Scientific notation is written with a digit, a decimal, and then any remaining digits, ignoring all of the other extraneous zeros. And then this is multiplied by 10 raised to some power. And this first digit here needs to be a digit between 1 and 10. So we'll take our number of 0.75 and we need to move it so that we get a digit in front that is between 1 and 10. So to do this, I need to move it one place value to the right, and then my new decimal will go right here. So I end up with 7.5. That now puts us into the first part of the scientific notation, which is a digit, a decimal, and all other remaining significant digits, ignoring any extraneous zeros. Now I just need to multiply this by 10 and raise it to some power. And we'll find that power by evaluating where we moved our decimal. Since we moved our decimal to the right, this is in the positive direction. So I moved it one decimal place to the right, positive direction. Now that changes the value of our decimal. So as we write it in scientific notation, we need to negate that for the original, because the scientific notation is the original decimal, just rewritten differently. So to negate a positive move in the right direction, we will go the opposite, which is a negative in the other direction, the same number of place values, one place value. So our scientific notation is 7.5 times 10 to the negative 1. Now we can check this by using the rule of negative exponents. And so we get 7.5 times 10 to the negative 1 is 1 over 10, which means I need to move my decimal place. Since it's dividing by a multiple of 10, the decimal place moves to the left, and we move it just 1 because I have 1 0, and that gives us 0.75, which matches the original, and that means that our scientific notation of 7.5 times 10 to the negative 1 is correct. Or we can do it the faster way, which is to look at the exponent to the 10, and it's negative, so we take our decimal and we're going to move it to the left, and we take this number, and that's the same amount of place values we move, so we move it one place value to the left, which matches the original, and either way you want to go about that to check it is correct, and we're all done. Our answer is 7.5 times 10 to the negative 1.